Shrimp and olive ragu spaghetti is a dish rich in Mediterranean flavors that fits perfectly into the Italian culinary tradition with a touch of originality. Here is the recipe. Ingredients: 320 grams of spaghetti, 300 grams of fresh or frozen shrimp, 150 grams of pitted black olives preferably, 2 cloves of garlic, 200 milliliters of tomato passata, half a glass of white wine, fresh parsley, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. If the shrimp are frozen, let them thaw. Clean the shrimp by removing the shell and the intestinal thread. Set aside. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil for the spaghetti. While the water is reaching boiling point, take a large pan and gently sauté the garlic cloves in extra virgin olive oil. When the garlic is golden, add the shrimp to the pan and sauté briefly. Deglaze with white wine and let the alcohol evaporate. Add the sliced olives and the tomato passata. Let everything cook on medium-low heat, covered, for about 10 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. In the meantime, cook the spaghetti in boiling water following the times on the package to achieve an al dente texture. Drain the spaghetti, keeping some cooking water, and pour them into the pan with the shrimp ragu. Mix well to flavor, and if necessary, add some cooking water to make the sauce creamier. Plate the shrimp and olive ragu spaghetti, sprinkle with chopped fresh parsley, and serve immediately. Shrimp ragu is a reinterpretation of the classic meat ragu, typical of the Italian tradition. The use of olives adds a note of flavor and a particular texture to the dish. This recipe is ideal for those who want to bring to the table a first course that combines the taste of the sea with typical land ingredients. Remember that you can always customize the recipe to your taste. For example, you could add chili pepper if you like spicier flavors, or use different aromatic herbs such as basil or dill to give a different note to your dish. Bon appétit! And don't forget, to stay up to date on the latest recipes and many other curiosities, it's useful to subscribe to the channel. Also visit our website to discover other delicious dishes and cooking tips.